Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, So Sweet. The song is Peace. The artist is Chandra Correlli, and the choreography is Penny Pearl. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. This is the demo. If you're interested in step-by-step instruction, please check out the choreographer, Penny Pearl, and also I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it. And there you go. So sweet. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.